I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's new head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 has been praised for its sharp handling, and for 2019, there's a new turbocharged engine available. Next, we have the Hyundai Santa Fe. The two-row version of the popular crossover has been fully redesigned for the new year, and also has optional turbo power. Both the Mazda and the Hyundai are strong competitors in a red-hot segment, so let's take a look at the engines, cabins, infotainment, and price to determine a winner. First, let's look at the powertrains. The Mazda CX-5 comes standard with a 2.5-liter 187 horsepower four-cylinder, but the big news is the addition of a turbo option, which bumps power to 250 horsepower on premium gas and 227 on regular. The base engine delivers an EPA-rated 25 miles per gallon city and 31 highway, while the turbo comes in at 23 miles per gallon city and 28 highway. Both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions are available, and every CX-5 uses a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Santa Fe also comes standard with a four-cylinder. In base spec, it's good for 185 horsepower, but the addition of a turbo boosts power to 235 horsepower. Unlike the Mazda, the Santa Fe also offers a V6, which pumps out 290 horsepower. At 22 miles per gallon city and 29 highway, the standard motor gets the best fuel economy, which drops to 20 city and 25 highway for the turbo and 18 city, 25 highway for the V6. Both versions of the four-cylinder are mated to an 8-speed automatic, and the V6 comes with a 6-speed. While we like that Hyundai offers a V6 option, we think Mazda's new turbocharged engine offers the best combination of power and economy, so we're going to give the win to the Mazda here. Now, let's look inside the cabin. In recent years, Mazda has focused on giving its cabins a premium feel, and the results are evident when exploring the interior of the CX-5. A leather-wrapped steering wheel is standard, and the sleek lines of the exterior are reflected inside. We particularly like the look of the angled dash vents, and the quality of all materials, even on base models, feels high. The design is clean and driver-focused, and gives the cabin a cockpit-like feel. Behind the rear seats, you'll find 30 cubic feet of cargo space, and with them folded, the CX-5 will handle 59 cubic feet of cargo. In recent years, Hyundai has also made great strides with its interiors, and we like the clean, ergonomic layout of the Santa Fe's cabin. There are loads of high-quality soft-touch materials which contribute to a luxury feel that stands out, particularly at this price point. We were also struck by how roomy the Santa Fe felt, as even the rear seats will be comfortable for adults. That roomy feeling also translates to cargo space, as there's 35.9 cubic feet of cargo behind the rear seats, and when you fold them, there's 71.3 cubic feet available. While we love the cockpit-like feel of the Mazda, we think the more spacious cabin and superior cargo capacity make the Hyundai the winner here. In the minds of buyers, infotainment tech is more important than ever, and both the Mazda and Hyundai are competitive in their class. While it's not standard equipment, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now available for the CX-5, which comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, HD radio, Bluetooth compatibility, 2 USB ports, and a 4-speaker stereo system. One thing buyers should notice is that the touchscreen won't function while the vehicle is in motion, so you'll have to use the rotary dial between the seats while driving. In comparison, the base Hyundai doesn't feature a touchscreen, but its intuitive layout of physical controls makes it easy to make selections. But those looking for a proper touchscreen will want to upgrade to the Ultimate trim, which has an 8-inch display that features navigation along with a 12-speaker Infinity audio system. Since both the Mazda and Hyundai offer lots of functionality and both have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as optional equipment, we're going to call this a draw. From a safety standpoint, both the Mazda and Hyundai are solid choices. Each was named a top safety pick from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and both earned a 5-star overall crash rating. That said, the Hyundai comes standard with a long list of high-tech safety features, including forward collision avoidance with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and rear cross traffic alert, some of which are optional extras on the Mazda. So while they both score well for safety, we think the more robust list of standard safety equipment makes the Hyundai the winner here. Now it's time to talk price. In base sport trim, the CX-5 starts at $24,350, but if you're looking for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll want to jump up to the touring trim at $26,615. In comparison, the Hyundai Santa Fe starts at $25,000 and comes with the base four-cylinder. All-wheel drive is available across all trim levels as a $1,700 option. Moving up to the Ultimate trim with a 2-liter turbo will cost you $36,600. When exploring the various trim levels for the Mazda and Hyundai, we think it's close enough to call it a draw. If you're careful about which packages and options you want to spring for, you can get a well-equipped version of either for a very reasonable price. Overall, this is a very tough choice. We particularly like the Hyundai's superior storage and impressive list of safety features. But at the end of the day, the Mazda's fantastic handling, gorgeous styling, and great new turbo engine put it just ahead of the Santa Fe. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Mazda CX-5 and the Hyundai Santa Fe, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below. And also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle, thanks for watching.